I want to know if the prophets were wrong. I want to know if Jesus was wrong. I want to know if Paul was wrong. I want to know if Peter was wrong.
Nais kong malaman kung nagkamali ang mga propeta. Nais kong malaman kung nagkamali si Jesus. Nais kong malaman kung nagkamali si Pablo. Nais kong malaman kung nagkamali si Pedro.
If he's wrong, let's forget it.
Kung mali sila, kalimutan na natin to.
But if they're right,
Pero kung tama sila,
you better stop and start reading and studying this Bible daily.
minto ka muna at simulan mong basahin at pag-aralan ang Bibliyang ito araw-araw.
Because in this Bible
Dahil sa Bibliyang ito,
is the answer to the problems of life.
matatagpuan ang sagot sa mga problema ng buhay.
Where we came from, why we're here, where we're going.
Kung saan tayo nanggaling, kung bakit tayo nandito, kung saan tayo patungo.
In this Bible, God's revelation to you that could transform and change your life and make you a whole man or a whole woman.
Sa Bibliyang ito, may paghahayag ang Diyos sa iyo na kayang baguhin ang buhay mo at gawin kang ganap na lalaki o ganap na babae.
You're not a whole man until you know Christ.
Hindi ka magiging ganap na lalaki hanggat hindi mo na ikilala si Kristo.
Because you have a body and a soul, but you also have a spirit.
Dahil may katawan ka at kaluluwa, pero may espiritu ka rin.
And that spirit of yours has been dead a long time.
At ang espiritu mong yan, patay na, matagal na.
God can bring new life to your spirit and make you the woman you ought to be and the man you ought to be, the husband, the wife, the child, the father, the mother.
Ang Diyos ang magbibigay ng bagong buhay sa espiritu mo at gagawin kang babaeng nararapat mong maging at lalaking nararapat mong maging bilang asawa, bilang kabiyak, bilang ama at bilang ina.